weBoost Signal Booster. Experience seamless cellular connectivity, even in the most remote areas, with the weBoost Signal Booster. This gadget features 3 essential components: the outside antenna, signal amplifier, and inside antenna, working together to amplify and distribute enhanced signals throughout your vehicle. The installation package includes everything needed for hassle-free setup, and the booster's built-in USB port adds convenience by charging your phone. Compatible with cars, trucks, and vans, the device is designed for easy placement under the seat with concealed cables. Enjoy strong, reliable signals, including access to 5G networks. CRKT Exit Emergency Tool. Be prepared for unexpected road emergencies with the CRKT Exit Emergency Tool. Compact and practical, it is designed for critical situations like car accidents. It includes a glass breaker for quick exits and a belt cutter for when seatbelts become compromised. For easy access, attach this must-have tool directly to your safety belt. Marvo Solar Phone Mount. Upgrade your car phone mount with the Marvo Solar Phone Mount, featuring semi-automatic functionality. A simple button press opens its wings, providing a secure grip for your phone, while the silicone cover ensures stability. It supports vertical or horizontal adjustments and includes a solar charging feature for continuous power, along with a Type-C backup charging port. Slime Flat Tire Puncture Kit. Revolutionize roadside repairs with the Slime Flat Tire Puncture Kit. Its unique sealant efficiently repairs punctures up to a 1/4 inch, lasting over 500 miles to get you to a repair shop safely. The device doubles as a standard tire inflator with a built-in digital display for real-time tire pressure monitoring. Plug it into your car socket, attach the hose, and inflate at the push of a button. A dedicated deflate button is included for fine-tuning. Mojipic Emoji Car Display. Add personality to your car with the Mojipic Emoji Car Display. Controlled via a mobile app, it offers thousands of emojis, animations, and custom options. From baby on board signs to supporting your favorite team, express yourself creatively. Easy to install on any window, it integrates with Siri and Google Assistant for hands-free operation. Bonus features include preloaded 8-bit games to keep passengers entertained. R2-4K Dashcam. Stay secure on the road with the Rove R2-4K Dashcam, your extra set of vigilant eyes. This advanced camera records in 2160p resolution, powered by a Sony Starvis sensor for clear footage, even in low light. It includes distortion correction, built-in Wi-Fi, and GPS for real-time route tracking. With parking mode, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, and support for up to 512 GB microSD cards, it's built for all conditions and comes with a comprehensive user guide for easy operation. Rohent Bay Car Camera. Monitor your little ones during car journeys with the Rohent Bay Car Camera. It features a 1080p HD display and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens for clear visuals and expansive coverage. Equipped with infrared night vision, this device ensures visibility in low light. Simple to install, it connects via a power cable to the car's outlet, offering a dependable way to keep an eye on your child. Interior car light. Elevate your night drives with the Govee Interior LED car lights. Connect the cable to a DC adapter, position the lights under your seats, and use the intuitive app to control brightness and colors. Transform your car's ambience with this easy-to-install gadget. Staysafe Fire Extinguisher. Tackle emergencies with a versatile Staysafe Fire Extinguisher. Designed to combat various fire types, including electrical and lithium-ion battery fires, it uses a safe liquid composition that prevents damage to electronics. Lightweight and easy to use, it's an essential addition to any vehicle. WarmQ Undercarriage Car Cleaner. Clean your car's underside effortlessly with the WarmQ Undercarriage Cleaner. Equipped with 4 innovative nozzles and built-in rollers, it attaches to a pressure washer for high-pressure cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Its telescopic handle ensures comfortable operation, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts.